absolutely amazing. I didn't think this would ever happen to me. I'm absolutely blown away by the support from my berries, and I'm so grateful for you, and I love you so much. I wish I could hug every single one of you. My berries, you are the reason I'm here. I love you with all my heart. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for pushing through the night, for getting friends, neighbors, random people in the streets to vote. You are the reason I'm here. I love you so much. Another woohoo!
Mere moment after the announcement that she had won Idols SA, we got all the emotions and joy from Berry. Guys, it's been a tough competition and she should be proud of herself and you for voting. She is trending #1 on social media. Most people are saying she really deserves to win. Let's check their comment on Twitter. The first person said, "Congratulations, Berry. My word, I'm so happy. Shine, my love. You are great. #Idols SA." Number 2 said, "Winning this is the best thing ever. I'm so emotional. #Idols SA." Number 3 said, "Berry represents the true identity of Republic of South Africa. She embraces other languages and culture. Her approach, her demeanor, and recognizing the diversity that is South Africa. She is a true idol, crossing over, singing African songs so well, has defied stereotype. #Idols SA." Then guys, number 4 said, "Congratulations South Africa for voting on merit. Congratulations, Berry." The last person said, "Congratulations to our SA Idols winner, Berry. You are great and continue to shine. #Idols SA." Guys, it's a celebration. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.